Welcome back to 5 Min Smart. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2026. I'm Liam.
And I'm Alice. Today, the market is bracing for the new PMI data release. But there's a strange divergence happening in the numbers, one that economists are calling the Agentic Paradox.
Exactly. We're seeing a massive spike in productivity and manufacturing output, but the employment sub-index, it's practically flat. In 2024, this would have been a sign of a dying industry. In 2026, it's a sign of a hyper-efficient one.
It all comes down to what we've been tracking for months, the transition from generative AI to agentic AI. We aren't just using AI to write emails anymore, we're using workforce orchestrators to manage entire business cycles.
Right. With the recent deployment of Nvidia Rubin clusters, the cost of running autonomous agents has dropped by 80%. This has allowed companies to scale Transactional Authority without hiring a single new human manager.
That's the core of the jobless growth phenomenon. GDP is growing, PMI is at a 2-year high, but the entry-level wall is getting higher. If an agent can handle the coordination, the research, and the scheduling, where does the junior associate go?
It's a 21st century silent recession for the workforce, even as the stock market hits record highs. We're seeing a $1 trillion shift in value from human labor to agentic capital.
And the technical barrier is gone. With HBM4 memory bandwidth finally crushing the memory wall, these agents are now capable of complex, multi-step reasoning in real time. They aren't just bots, they are sovereign economic actors.
So what's the move for us humans? If the middle is being automated by workforce orchestration, the value moves to the extremes: high-level strategy and physical, high-touch empathy.
Precisely. We're moving from doing the work to auditing the outcomes. If you aren't learning how to supervise a fleet of digital agents today, you're essentially leaving your career in the hands of an algorithm.
It's time to adapt. Alice, give us today's smart-sounding sentence to help us navigate this shift.
Here it is. The current divergence between rising PMI and stagnant hiring is a structural byproduct of agentic AI, where transactional authority has been commoditized, leading to a new era of high-productivity, jobless growth.
I love that. The commoditization of transactional authority. That explains the entire 2026 labor market in one line.
Let's hope we can still find a human-made brunch after this, Liam.
I'll make sure to check the human-made certification on the door. Well, that's all for today. If you want to stay ahead of the AI shift, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We are community-funded and independent. If you value these insights, please support us via the Ko-fi link in the description. Stay smart, stay informed, and we'll see you tomorrow.